Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily create multiple email addresses with one Gmail account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Gmail application. So you can either open any one of the web browser and open email. Log in with your account details. Once logged in, click on compose. After that, here in the to section, you can add as many email address as you want. You also have the option of CC and BCC. In to section, you can simply type @ and add as many email address as you want. The limit is 500. In CC and BCC, if you want the other recipient to see all the email, you can add it to CC. But if you don't want the recipient to see all the emails, then simply add it to BCC. So that's it. That is how easily you can add multiple email address in one Gmail account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.